You don't have a wife?
No.
Wait.
Wife. Not me.
Wait. Is that your first wife? Fourth wife. Listen. This is your fourth wife.
It's a third.
It's a third.
Yes.
That's a big problem. My time is gone. So no. You have to. Some of you come to church late and you want us to prophesy. No, I'm close. Look at me. There's a woman.
Yes.
This woman. That's how many wives. But this woman, she has done something against you. The woman said that your things will never work. And listen, as I look at you right now, things are not working for you. You are suffering. Things are not working. Do you know what? The woman used her underwear to curse you. Wait. Relax. I'm close right now. Oga, look at me. Have you gone to a Sangoma?
Sorry?
Did you went to a Sangoma?
Sometimes.
What did you went there for?
For problems.
Wait. Listen. And wait. What does Sangoma tell you?
Many things make my head.
Now for this man. Sister, let me pray for you. May the Lord give you favor. May the Lord help you. I hear good news coming to you. Hey, look. Your problem, is only God that can help you. 1, 2 is the second woman. The second woman uses her underwear to curse you. And the woman said that until you die, you will never prosper. So if there's some woman that you went there, you just went there to waste your time and your money. Even up to now, nothing is moving on. You see? Let me show you what the woman did. Then we pray. I'm wasting your time, I'm wasting your time. Listen. Your manhood, what is happening to your manhood? Your destiny. What is happening to it? Wait. When now? This thing, what is happening to it? Is it working?
No. Let me say no.
No, wait. Listen. For how long now?
It got maybe it's 2 years old.
It's not working.
Yes.
Wait, it does not stand up.
A little bit.
One touch.
You know what I'm asking? Sister, until you see that you have a problem, you need God. You can remain. No, I know some people, this 2018, they will remain like that until the next year. No, there are people like that, they don't care whether things change or change. They are happy because they are working like elephants. It's like ants. Once your mates are making it, once your mates are breaking forth, you are always singing the same story. Okay, look in life. Don't walk with someone who's not making progress. Walk with somebody who is going somewhere. All those friends you are hanging around, all of them are like you. The poor can never help the poor. If your friends are suffering like you, no. Look for someone who is better than you to better your life also. Listen, When you are living life and you are not prospering, you have to cry. You have to cry. Listen, your case needs serious attention. So for 2 years now.
Please. Please.
Okay. The problem are too many. Wait, did the Sangoma give you something to back?
Yes.
What was that?
I don't know, it's like a powder
To
try to bath.
When you use what happened?
Sorry.
When you use it, what happened? Nothing happened.
Sometimes I try to use it and I get tired and I leave it.
Okay, how much did you pay in the Sangoma's place? How much did you pay?
Sometimes we pay 2,000, 1,500. So
wait. You see, no. Some of you are raising value. I will know, but some of you don't want to give. Look at the Sangoma in the church. No, you said the Sangoma. You see, they collected 2,000, 1,000 from Sangoma, and someone said, "Why the prophet like money?" You see, let me tell you a secret. When you come to the house of God and you start speaking against what we are doing here, you can never prosper. And two, when you speak against the prophet, there's a grace that God said that anybody who talk against you, the person can never see good things. And that's another level of God that what God. You see, anytime you speak against the spirit that is working through the prophet, it becomes a curse on you. Not only you, on your children as well. He went to Sangoma. He paid 2,000 and he paid another 1.5, and nothing happened. Some of you after church, I see all of you, I don't take anything from you. And the same people who go and say that the prophet is a bad person. No, if you do that, can you prosper? You can't prosper. I will not say anything, but the anointing will start fighting. Wait, did you put the money on the ground or you put it in the Sangoma sons?
I put it on the floor.
You see, that's the price that the Sangoma gave it to you. That's the price that the Sangoma gave it to you. So wait, in all, how much have you spent for Sangomas? Calculate it. I want to do something for you.
I didn't calculate.
Wait. The money that you have spent, is it more than 10,000?
It's more than now because I paid this time by time.
See, no. If Sangoma is charging, it's not free. And you want to see prophet for free, you are a joker. And you have been paid. Look, when you pay, has your life changed?
Hey, it's difficult.
He says difficult. I'm going to deliver you by the power of the Holy Spirit. Listen to the call of God.
Yes, sir.
There is a strong anointing on you.
Yes, Lord.
Every time you try to run away, you keep having problems.
Yes, Lord. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus.
There is a strong anointing upon this lady I see. My God, I feel an anointing here. 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 By this anointing, I pray for all of you here. Whatever you are desiring for this week, receive it in the name of Jesus. She's your friend. She'll become a very powerful woman of God. Okay? Very powerful man of God. I see a very strong anointing on her. You see, there are things that God wants you to do. The more you run away, the more you keep having problems. But when you listen to God, there will be no problem. Father, I stretch my hands over here. Yes. Yes. Every gift that you put inside of her, by the counting of 5, let it manifest. Let it manifest.